Well, I'm in a 2016 Dodge Durango, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off your traction control. So over here is your traction control button. So just click it once to turn it off, and again to turn it on. You know it's off when this is lit up, and also when it's off on your dash here, you might see a prompt like this pop off, just to let you know the traction control's off. And you also can see this symbol over here. That's your traction control being off. And then click it again to turn it on. You typically want it on all the time. You might turn it off in situations where, say, you're towing a trailer, just that way your transmission isn't being affected by the trailer. Also, sometimes in rough road conditions where it's like a lot of loose gravel, ice, snow, things like that, you don't want the wheels to start spinning in a certain way where it might get you stuck or make it harder to get unstuck from, say, some mud. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.